PRT aspirants, please join me by giving her a big round of applause and welcome her on stage, Ms. Tony Miranda.
Your clap and your intro and this unique phrase. No, diba? Yeah. So, pero confidence level. When you enter the room, how do people look at your body language? Saan hanapin niyo? Cute. Yes. Already a managerial position. Hearing. Did you hear her? So fun. Heard ako. Well, it's not I believe. I remember substance. Alam ko, may kwento ka rin. Oh my God, umiyak ko ba? I hope I was able to explain. Start with self-awareness and hands up that you're not being heard, you're not being recognized. You may, tapos, lagyan natin ng konti. So, never,
So yung team mo, hinagatin ng
look open your own belief system that was affected by your childhood. Ready? Bang, bang, bang. And your life becomes about that.
Proactive, innovative, committed, open, and caring.
Of you, yung pangalan mo. Yeah. The frontal lobe of your cerebral cortex, her calling in the future, how come she doesn't look like prepared for quality? So, hourglass. For guys naman, baka rectangle, graphing ay hindi eksakto. From number na hindi ka pa right? But because I put a label, ina-observe. Yay!
self mo na.
Sige, go. Self-confidence. Motivate yourself. Get prepared. Dapat. Tapos sa yung level. Okay, mga ganyan na sa kabilang sila. Pero kasi niyong alam ko sa ito. Okay, can we do 10? Even if some of you are feeling low, kasi hindi, nagmamanage ng nervousness. So that, maalala ng likod mo na yan ang tamang picture, then naka-reset tayo. Like making sure that your arm is tayo. So what you do is, you do the firm sa pangalawa. Go nearer and nearer. Yan, handshake si ate. Karamdaman mo? Mas may strength. So, dabilan, parang, di ba? Umangat? Umangat, di ba? Okay. Because pag naka-steady yan, mag-drive.
Ang Miss Universe. Ano yung gusto mo?
Kamusta kayo?
Gumagawa ako ng ginawa.
Want to be remembered. Professionalism, when you practice it, why we teach etiquette and gracefulness? And then adjust before sitting. Adjust first. Maski na gutom ka, pin. Kung right-handed siya.
This is our company.
Very simple things or simple manners din. Whatever I do, it doesn't just reflect my personality, my
all want not just be an average.
yung sinabi niya na start the principle of aware.
Sobrang appreciate din namin talaga yung mga discuss ko.
Yung little things makes the big.
You are showing me that you are really invested. Dear you, challenges might happen. Things may not be according to how you have planned it. And when those things are not aligned with how you planned, pakibasa yung title, remember,